we are also now getting pregnancy related cases. That would be a huge impetus in terms of what we do, not just accidents, but emergencies even related to pregnancies. As per government records, there are close to about 19 lakh deliveries that happen in Rajasthan every year. Out of them, close to about 15% deliveries are basically of the emergency type. So we would have to handle the complete delivery schedule. Government has actually provided us a link. They basically handle deliveries through a program called as ASHA. Okay. ASHA program is basically where there is a government trained nurse which handles which tracks the complete delivery right from which is called as early detection of delivery, which is 12 weeks. Okay, post 12 weeks they completely track the delivery schedule right till the post delivery schedule also, which is mother and child. Okay, so we will be working with him in terms of handling delivery cases also. Right now we were also doing those, but it was something which was we got a call, we service them,
Right.
something related to that. But now we would be actively pursuing the delivery cases on our own in terms of tracking it. Okay, so if you actually see a pregnant female has to basically go for about 4 visits, mandatory 4 visits before the delivery, which is related to either medication in terms of shots which are given in terms of iron and folic acid and things like that, and post delivery 4 times they have to go in terms of immunization of the child, okay, mother and child both. So that's basically what we are saying is about 9 times we would be going with the pregnant female to the hospital, from the home to the hospital, and maybe I think if government permits we would take them back to home also.